Welcome back to Making Frugal Fun. Today I'm sharing a few of our favorite outdoor water toys to keep kids entertained in the backyard all summer long. Starting out with a longtime favorite, these easy to fill and tie bunch of balloons are so much fun. You can usually find a huge pack for about $20 at Costco this time of year, and I'll also link them for you below. If you usually shy away from water balloons because you don't want to be sitting there tying off 100 water balloons every 10 minutes, this is a really great option, especially if you have a big party. Also, make sure you don't throw out the hose attachment afterward, because my friend Lauren Clutter shared a hack last summer that you can use these to blow bubbles. So it's kind of like you're getting a 2-for-1 summer toy. So much fun. Next, I had really low expectations for this water twister game, but my kids ended up loving it. This would be really fun for a play date or a summer birthday party. I know we'll be using it for my son's August birthday in some way. It's really fun and it's easy to fold up and store whenever you're done if you have a small space. This is my favorite backyard find because you can use it year-round for picnics or messy craft projects. At first glance, it's just your basic toddler picnic table, but the center of the table actually opens up to reveal a fun sand and water area. The buckets also come out, so you can easily rinse them out, and there's also an umbrella to keep the sun away, which is really nice. This is more expensive than like your cheaper plastic water tables, but I knew we would use it year round as a picnic table, and it looks really good on the back porch, and I was able to pick it up on sale last month, so make sure that you watch for sales. This Summer Waves 10-foot pool, I was a little bit intimidated by at first, but I have a friend that has a similar pool with a pump, and I loved the idea of not having to waste so much water by dumping out an inflatable pool every 2 to 3 days and refilling it. So honestly, we usually end up just like throwing those inflatable pools away after a few uses because we get so tired of them and they just like collect rain and all that stuff. But this one, we have been out here basically every day, and I've been able to keep it pretty clear so far. It's perfect if you don't have access to a neighborhood pool but need a fun way to cool off in the summer. If you're looking for water squirt toys that are easy for younger kids to use, these come in a 6-pack and they are really fun, except for when they are spraying them at me. But I love them because they're easy enough for even my 4-year-old to operate. Of course, you will need a nearby bucket of water if you aren't in a pool, but these were a really good buy. Finally, this floating basketball hoop, I was pleasantly surprised because I thought it was going to be really tiny. It came as a set with a volleyball net that's also inflatable, and it actually fits right across this tiny pool. So even if you just have like a small pool, you could still get a small game of volleyball going or basketball. So it's a really good find, even for larger pools, I'm sure as well. I hope these ideas help you if you're looking for some small ways to turn your backyard into a summer oasis this season. I'll be sharing more summer fun ideas in the next coming weeks, so make sure you hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.